beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be sharing my weight loss journey with you guys, and I just wanted to share this super easy meal prep for beginners. If you're interested, go ahead and stay tuned and subscribe to my channel and give this video a like if you enjoy it. Alright, so first thing, we're starting off with breakfast, and for breakfast I'm going to have egg white muffins. And the first thing I'm going to start off with is turkey sausage. I'm going to go ahead and cook that in a pan, and I know that turkey sausage is probably not the best option, but it is a better alternative, and it just makes, to me, it makes the muffins taste a lot more filling, and it just gives it a little bit better flavor to me. But you can next I'm just adding in some chopped red peppers and some chopped mushrooms. Y'all, I have been asleep on mushrooms. I used to hate mushrooms, but now I absolutely love them, and they're so good for you. And now we're just gonna mix everything together. Mix it in for a couple minutes just so everything's kind of like sauteed and cooked, you know what I'm saying. And I already greased my muffin pan, so now I'm just adding in the filling. And you can also just mix everything together and then pour everything in, but I just tried to do it this way just to see how it would come out. And I'm making sure that I don't fill them all the way to the top, that way there's enough room for the egg whites. Alright, so now I'm pouring in my egg whites. And when you put these in the oven, I do suggest that you put a pan under them, because mine's kind of, when they're in the oven, if you watch them, they're gonna like bubble up really big, but then they're gonna flatten down when you take them out. But sometimes they ooze over, so I do recommend putting a sheet or like a pan underneath it, so that way if it drips, it doesn't drip in your oven. And then I'm also just adding in some seasonings just to add in some flavor, and then I just put some parsley on top of it just for color, really, just to make it look a little bit better. And I just preheated my oven to about 375 degrees, and I let them stay in the oven for about 20 minutes or until they look like they're ready. So I like to pair these with some fruit, so I just paired it with a side of grapes. Next up for lunch, I'm gonna eat these curried chickpea bowls. So I just start by putting some avocado oil in a pan on medium to high heat, and then I throw in the minced garlic. I let that cook for a couple of minutes. Next, I went ahead and threw in some spinach, and then just let that cook down for a little bit. Then I sprinkled in some sea salt, and I squeezed half of a fresh lemon into the pot. And then I went ahead and I mixed it all together again, and then just sat the spinach on the side. And in the same pot, I put in some more avocado oil. Then you're gonna also put in some more minced garlic. And then I added in some red onions. And then cook those for a few minutes. Next, we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle in all the seasonings. So we're gonna use some curry, some cumin, and some cinnamon. And then mix all of it together. Next, you're gonna wanna add in your chickpeas. I already had mine like prepped and everything, so I was able to just throw them in there. You wanna mix it all together. And next, we're gonna add in some tomato paste. I just kinda eyeballed it. I can link the recipe down below in the description box because I kind of eyeballed a lot of this. So I just put in some tomato paste and then mixed it all together. And I already had some rice cooked. I didn't really feel the need to show that. So yes, I paired it with some rice. And next for dinner, we're gonna have some baked garlic chicken with some sweet potatoes and some roasted vegetables. So I already cleaned my chicken. So now I'm just laying it on a pan with some foil. Now that that's done, we can go ahead and make our marinade mixture. So we're starting off by adding olive oil, minced garlic, it asked for fresh parsley, but I didn't have fresh parsley, so yeah, I just used what I had. And then I used a little bit of leftover lemon juice that I had. I pretty much used the rest of that. And then it asked for Dijon mustard, but I didn't have that. I wasn't gonna make this originally. This wasn't the original recipe that I was gonna make. So we didn't have any more of that kind of mustard. We just had regular yellow mustard. And I just said, you know what? I'm gonna use what I have, and it tasted fine. I'm sure it would have tasted better with the right mustard, but it tasted good. And I just put some salt and pepper, and now I'm just mixing it together. And really, you're supposed to marinate this. This is a marinade, but again, I didn't know that this recipe was gonna ask for this chicken to be marinated, so I just poured it all on top of it, and I just cooked it, and I just waited to see what was gonna happen. So now I'm just spreading it everywhere. And now I'm gonna just take some frozen mixed veggies. Got this out of the frozen section. Obviously, I just said frozen mixed veggies, and I washed them, and then now I'm just putting them around the chicken so it's just on one pan. It's just super easy and quick. And then I'll just put some seasonings on them. You're gonna wanna preheat your oven to about 400 degrees. Yeah, this is my meal prep. I have some snacks and I'm just drinking water and green tea the whole week and working out, and I just pray that I can lose some weight. So yeah, if you're on a weight loss journey, go ahead and comment down below. Give me some tips, tricks, whatever you have, recipes, and let's just keep up with each other's progress. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and leave me some comments down below. Bye guys.